Hello everyone. As we come towards the conclusion of Shatahanrita Mahotsav, I would like to share my thoughts on this endeavor. We had 100 plus performances for various dance forms with artists joining from various states within India. Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Assam, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, West Bengal, Delhi and also overseas. Australia, Canada, US, UK, Sri Lanka. In this difficult time, these performances have left us with feeling of being connected and togetherness. I would like to express my gratitude to all 100 performers for their performances and the COVID warriors, Dr. S. Kulandeswamy and Mr. M. D. Chandar from Gandhi Peace Foundation. Mrs. Sukhada Khandge, a senior journalist in Pune Mirror. Deputy Engineer at PMC, Mr. Shrikant Gayakwad. And DGM of BSNL, Swati Gayakwad, for sharing their insights and experiences from the front line of this pandemic. Coming to the finale, we could not have had a better finale than this. So, I would like to sincerely thank Kathak Guru Manjiri Karolkar, Bharatanatyam Guru Smita Mahajan and Odissi Guru Sheetal Metkar for giving us the privilege of watching them perform and sharing their invaluable words of wisdom in this conversation. I am certain their advice will be inspirational to the dance students of this generation. I love to mention that Sneha Lalit has also got the privilege to broadcast the tribute performance choreography Shubham Bhavatu by Kathak exponent Guru Shamatai Bhate and her institute Nadarup. I sincerely thank her for this. My thoughts will not be complete without the mention of gratitude we have to everyone who made this happen. We would like to express our gratitude to Mrs. Priya Suresh for hosting the interviews conducted in this event and leading technical responsibilities of this event. A special note of thanks to Manasi Kamble, my student, for her smooth coordination with the artist. And last but not the least, we would like to thank Janhavi, Diksha, Pooja and all my students, parents and well-wishers of Sneha Lalit Kala Kendra for their extraordinary support in this event. Thank you.